Welcome to engineering school. Today I will discuss about SFD and BMD and I will draw a SFD and BMD of a beam bar. So let's start. What is SFD? SFD হচ্ছে shear force diagram. A shear force diagram is the graphical representation of the variation of shear force along the length of the beam and is abbreviated as SFD. And what is BMD? A bending moment diagram is a graphical representation of the variation of the bending moment along the length of the beam and it is abbreviated as BMD. Here I have drawn a beam bar that has a hinge support and a roller support. At A hinge support has been drawn and at B, a roller support has been drawn. So we know that hinge support has two directions, one vertical direction and one horizontal direction, whereas roller support has only vertical direction and it has no horizontal direction. So in the picture you can see two forces is at 5 meter and 10 meter distance from A. That is 10 kilonewton force is downward from A at 5 meter distance and also 15 kilonewton force is at 5 plus 5 10 meter distance from A. So we have to draw the SFD and BMD of this picture. So let's start. First of all we have to calculate the support reactions at A and at B. We know that hinge resist moment, so summation of moment at A is obviously equals to 0. So first of all, taking the downward forces 10 kilonewton into 5 distance plus 15 kilonewton force into 10 meter distance and VB, we can say that the vertical force at B is upward. So it's minus VB into 15 is equal to 0. The summation of all the moments is 0. Then we can calculate this and we can find that VB is 13.33 kilonewton. Taking all the vertical summation of vertical forces, VA plus VB is equal to 10 plus 15 downward forces, and from this we can find VA is equal to 11.67 kilonewton. And there is no horizontal forces at A because we can see obviously there is no horizontal forces on the other side, so obviously HA is equal to 0. Now we are going to draw the SFD and BMD of the beam bar. So after calculating all the reaction forces at A and at B, I'm gonna draw first SFD. So first you can see 11.67 upward force at A. So first point will be 11.67 upward. Then after 5 meter distance, the next point will be 11.67 minus 10 is equal to 1.67. And after 5 meter distance, it will continue to the point 15 kilonewton force downward, where the next point will be in the negative. That means 1.67 minus 15 is equal to 13.33 downward, and then it will continue to the point B and 13.33 minus 13.33 force at B will intersect at 0. So it's the SFD of this beam bar. So now I am going to draw BMD, and we know that BMD is all about calculating the moments. From the SFD diagram, 11.67 into 5 meter distance, so it is 58.35 point, and I have marked the point in the picture 58.35. You can see that it will be a straight line upward, as the area of the SFD, that part is positive. After that, adding 1.67 into 5 with 58.35 equals to 66.7. That is also marked in the picture, and it's also a upward direction, and having the positive area in SFD, it also contains a positive area in the BMD. Then after that, from 13.33 into 5 meter distance, and it is 66.7 downwards and it tends to 0. I will show you how to draw SFD and BMD of UDL and UVL in my next video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give a like to this video and share with your friends. And for mostly, I have given many videos about hydrology related math problems and curve fitting related math problems. You can also watch that in my channel, and I have also a playlist about that. So stay connected.